How to fix Element Smart TV Remote. Please watch full video for better and permanent solution. Your Element Smart TV comes equipped with a simple, intuitive interface that can be manipulated entirely with the bundled remote control. If you lose the ability to operate your television with the remote control, whether it be entirely or intermittently, the following troubleshooting steps may help resolve your remote control issues. 1. Aim IR remote correctly. Make sure that there are no obstructions between your remote and the TV. Point the remote directly at the TV or at an optimal distance. 2. Replace batteries. Open the battery cover and remove the batteries. Insert the batteries observing the proper orientation as indicated in the battery compartment. If there is no improvement after reseating the batteries, try replacing them. 3. Power cycle component. To power cycle a component using its remote control, press the power button on the remote control of the component you need to power cycle. The component should turn off and can then be turned back on at any time using the same button on the remote control. If power cycling via the component's remote control does not work, first, attempt to turn off the component normally by pressing its power button. Next, unplug the component from power. Wait at least 30 seconds. Plug the component back into power and attempt to power it back on. 4. Test IR emitter. Point your remote towards the camera lens. If you use a smartphone, you can use the selfie, front-facing camera. Press any button on the remote and look at the live display of the camera. You should see a flashing purple light as you press and hold the button.